How you going, guys? It's Kurt here. I'm the founder of Nomad Moto. This is our 16 litre Adventure Scout system with the BaseLock. I'm just going to do an install for you to show you how to fit it onto your adventure bike. What you can see on this side is I've actually used the lower attachment point. Like, this is my tool side. If you put a lot of weight in it, okay, it gets that movement. See that? So even if you load it up on the top, it's still going to have that movement. So all you do, so every bike is different, every subframe is different, but this is what I'm doing on the T7, right? So then I do that, solid as a rock. Normally you'd have your strap tighty here, I don't, so I'm just going to tie it off, right? Aussie style. With our system, this fits many adventure bike models, small bikes, big bikes. We have an adjustable strap across the middle that goes across your seat, and I'll show you, you'll see why in a second why it's there. So let's go, we'll get started. So we just throw the system on. So when we put it on, what we can do is you can look at the sides here and see where you want it to sit. And if you want it to sit further down, like that, you just stretch the Velcro out and you can push it out further. You want to bring it up closer. My spot that I like is just below the seat line there. I find that a really nice spot, just along the line of the top of the line of the seat, and it will just go below at the front and then come up along it a little bit and then across at the back. That's my position. I like to position it also. It does sit in front of the axle. I'll bring you up closer now for putting on the front straps and then the rear straps. All right, so what we have here is we got our attachment point at the top and our buckle at the bottom. I have used steel buckles on the Adventure Scout. This also does have the BaseLock fitted to it. I've actually trimmed the end of my straps and put them on an angle and singed them. You just find it easier to get through there, but leave them as they are if that's how they came on your system. If you're not comfortable with the trimming, it's fine. So I would come behind a fitting, like any fitting, any frame, come behind a frame. That's our attachment point here. I don't actually use them. I use frames over attachment points, because what using a frame does is it pulls it up closer onto your bike. So we'll pretend that's not there. I do that with all my luggage systems. I don't use them anymore. But when I was first starting out with Nomad Moto, I used to promote them a lot because it's what I knew. But what I've found over time is frames are much better than using any hard attachment point. And you don't want to be drilling into your bikes and stuff like that. So what I would do is I'll just make it, I'm not tightening that up, and there will be straps. Yours will have a strap tighty, mine doesn't have a strap tighty on it. Okay, we'll go over to the other side. It's the same on this side. So you see here, I've got my top and my lower. I'll come behind my frame. It'll use that lug there. That's my foot peg rest actually off my T7, where my T7 foot peg mounts would go. Again, I'm using the frame. I don't use our attachment points. If you want to use the attachment points, go for it, but I don't do it. I just like to use frames, like I said, because it pulls everything in tighter. Okay, now to do the back, we have these rear attachment points, both sides. Now what we're going to do is cross them over from one side to the other. So on the T7, I'm just going to come in between here. Whatever bike you have, you can go under a guard, you can do whatever you want. This is what works for this bike. So what I'll do is I'll come up under here, and on the T7 I'll come into the top attachment there. The great things with these, they don't have a permanent fixed spot, so you can actually move them around, and this system is very adaptable to most bike models. I would say this would fit probably 99% of bikes. And what that's doing when we're pulling that down is pulling this all down. Some of the smaller seat bikes, it may sit up in the middle a little bit, but it's nothing for you guys to worry about. Again, there would be normally strap tighties on here. I don't have them. And now what I'll start to do is really pull it down into place. So there, I would normally, like I said, I would normally have my strap tighty there, but I don't have one. So what I'll do, the adventure rider that I am, I'll just slide that under there and I'll tie it off on itself. For me, that's fine. But you guys want to use your strap tighties, go for it. I'm more of a tie-off person. I'm not trying to impress anybody when I'm out in the bush. I'm all about practical, tough, lightweight, waterproof stuff. Looks for me are the last thing, but this stuff does look cool. But fashion in luggage is not for me, and it's not for our Nomad Moto customers. Our stuff is cool, it looks cool. It becomes part of you as the more you use it, it improves. It molds to your bike, you know. So I've got this side, I'm doing the same over here. I don't have my strap tighty, so I'm just going to tie that off. So what I'm going to do now, I'm just going to cinch it up at the front. That's in. Again, I don't have my strap saver, my strap tighties. So what I'll do, guys, look, I could make it really flash and pretty, studio style, but you know, I think doing this the way I do my videos for you guys is, you know, that's the tightest system you'll ever get on the market anywhere in the world. You show me a better system than that, this size luggage. Again, I'll just tie that off. Your bike will break before that'll break, and that is solid as a rock. If you use a BaseLock, if you don't use a BaseLock, that's fine, it still works. The BaseLock just really makes it sit super tight, but our sides are stiffened in them already, even without BaseLock. The BaseLock just really locks it in. And if you want to research BaseLock on our website, just go to BaseLock and you'll read all about it and what it does. All right, guys, beauty. It's time to get packing and get riding. See you on the next one.